Stains keep beating wash day? Start with Amodex. It's the compact pick for ink, makeup, and mixed surprises. You'll switch when you need residue-free spot touch-ups, a bag-friendly save, a longer soak, vintage linen care, or grease help. No remover handles everything. Choose by stain type, fabric, scent, and effort. For most homes, I'd start with Amodex Ink and Stain Remover. Buy it if you want one compact bottle for pin marks, makeup smears, wine-style splashes, and random laundry surprises. Its best trick is versatility, especially on the stains that make regular detergent look useless. The catch is patience. Permanent ink can need careful working and blotting, not a lazy spray and wash move. It also works better before fabric gets wet. Skip it if your normal disasters are mustard, baby food, greasy dinners, or mostly food stains. For stains that aren't headed straight to the washer, go Stingray Instant Spot Remover. This is the cleaner for clothes, upholstery, costumes, and household fabrics where a cloudy ring would be its own new problem. The clear spray format makes sense when you need a targeted touch-up, not a whole laundry project. But it isn't magic mist. You'll get the neatest result by blotting before and after spraying. It also includes a small amount of ammonia, so use airflow and don't mix it with other cleaners. Skip it for turmeric, beet juice, food dye, or mustard. For fresh stains away from home, stash To Go Oxi. It's the small, precise pick for commuters, parents, office drawers, travel bags, and anyone who wants to hit coffee, makeup, lipstick, or grass before the stain settles in. The payoff is speed and portability. You don't need a sink, a bucket, or a laundry room. The trade-off is control. The tip can put out more liquid than you wanted. It also won't replace a real pre-treater for older stains or large areas. Skip it for delicate silk unless you've checked a hidden spot first. For stubborn washable stains, Tide Ultra Oxi Powder Laundry Detergent is the workhorse. Buy it if you want one powder that can run a normal load, pre-treat, or turn a bucket into a pre-soak. It's especially useful when you're dealing with colored marks on machine washable fabrics, and you don't want a separate product for every laundry problem. The catch is oily grime. Powder doesn't move into greasy fibers as easily as a liquid. The fragrance is also noticeable, and there's no unscented version. Skip it if oil is your main enemy, or scent is a hard no. For older linens, restoration is the slower, gentler feeling route. Buy it for lighter vintage pieces, yellowed fabric, and older textiles where you can let the soak do the work. I like it when you want a simple oxygen bleach formula without added fragrance, dye, or brighteners. The trade-off is time. This isn't the bottle you grab 5 minutes before guests arrive. It often needs several hours, or an overnight soak. It also dissolves best when started in hot water before you adjust the soak. Skip it for grass, motor oil, or bold colors you can't closely watch. For greasy laundry, use Tide Ultra Oxi Boost. This is the liquid pick for kitchen aprons, kids' clothes, pizza spots, cooking oil, and machine washable items with oily marks. The reason to choose it is simple. Liquid works into fabric faster than powder when the stain has that slick, fatty feel. But don't buy it as your only stain remover if tea, wine, turmeric, or dye-like marks are the real problem. The scent is strong enough to matter, too. Skip it if fragrance bothers your household, or if pigments are your usual headache. Quick split. Most homes, Amodex. Spot cleaning fabrics, Stingray. Fresh stains away from home, To Go Oxi. Stubborn washable stains and pre-soaks, Tide Ultra Oxi Powder. Vintage linens, restoration. Grease, Tide Ultra Oxi Boost. Before you buy, match the cleaner to the stain, not the brand. Check fabric care first. Treat before washing when you can, watch scent if your household hates fragrance, and don't mix cleaners, especially anything with ammonia. If you're unsure, start with Amodex. It's the compact default for mixed home stains. Switch for residue-sensitive spot cleaning, commuter spills, stubborn soak loads, slower vintage linens, or oily kitchen marks. Then add the right format to your shelf, bag, or laundry room. Squared away. Bye-bye the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.